backyard years ago, in a town I didn't know. I never got her name, but I had a light, and she was a flame. Just wait 4 hours to the wrecking machine, playing quiet from a balcony.
Well, there you go, it's loaded and we're ready to go. So I thought this was like 3.01 or something like that, so we don't need to be putting beacons on because we're not over 3 meters. Fun fact as well, these flags here, did you know that there is a right and a wrong way to put them up? So the yellow actually is supposed to go up, not the red side up. I know, you're going to get a fine for that? Well, maybe, maybe not, I don't know. But those are the rules. So anyway, always got that. And so oversized sign is on the front. So we're ready to go and do our dodgy oversize. This is only going to Adelaide, so it's going to be a short trip. So let's get into it.
Till I get there soon. Saw her in a bar off 89, stayed up north for the summertime. She wasn't from around these parts, didn't have time for a broken heart.
Welcome to Tammin, WA, where the first European to settle in this area was John Packham in 1893. The railway to Southern Cross was constructed in 1895 and Tammin was one of the first original stations. As the surrounding areas developed for agriculture, there's sufficient demand to call the area a town site. Tammin is an Aboriginal name derived from a nearby Tammin Rock, a name first recorded by the explorer Charles Cook Hunt in 1864. The rock possibly derives its name from the Tamar, an Aboriginal name for black-gloved wallaby, which was once found in this area. Another source, though, records its possible meaning as grandmother or grandfather. In 1932, the wheat pool of Western Australia announced that the town would have 2 grain elevators, each fitted with an engine, installed at the railway siding.
Strawberry moon, yeah, that's where I find her, shining for into somewhere by the water. She moves through the night, dancing in the sky with a strawberry moon. Till I get there.
Don't forget, if you want to see more, well, the members area is open. You can click the join button for under $5 a month. I can just show you everything, going to mine sites, traveling around the mine, loading and unloading, all the cool stuff that I can't show you here because, well, that's secret rural stuff. But anyway, I can show you there. So check it out, click the join button below next to the channel button, and I tell you what, we're having a blast over there because I'm really enjoying showing you all the stuff that I want to show you, and I can now.
All the love that we were making, well, I guess I was mistaken to think I thought that you were the one. You knew what you were doing, so you can save your excuses, 'cause you pulled the trigger on that gun. But I know
Early settlers from 1890 to 1910 from Ireland settled here in the area of Calabarin and Whitton. The railway line from Northam to Southern Cross was constructed through here in 1893 to 94, and this section was opened for traffic in 1895. Calabarin was one of the original stations when the line was opened. By 1898 there was a demand for small blocks of land in the area, and the government surveyed a number of 8.1 or 20 acre lots in the same year. The area was gazetted as the Calabarin town site in 1901, and the government soon made more land available for settlers. In 1898 the Agriculture Hall was officially opened. It was built with granite walling and brick dressing with a jarrah and iron roof. This building is located on the north side of the railway line adjoining the post office. The hall is now used as a folk museum.
Cruise mode, and it'll do it all itself, so it'll just keep going as fast as it possibly can, and all you have to do is lift and lower the front.
But it's not going to turn itself.
No, run into the trees. Yeah. Trading it in on the auto header.
So if someone wanted to get into this, how would they get into this?
With a lot of money, that machine.
Oh no, sorry, I'm saying if someone was there, I think I'd like a job of doing that.
Oh, well, we mainly have local staff. Most people, a lot of people buy backpackers and that.
Yeah, I was going to say backpackers and stuff.
Yeah. My cousin over at Menangatang, he uses backpackers, and he uses older pensioners as well.
Oh yeah.
A group, you know, grey nomads or something. And he said they're probably better.
They look after the gear better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And they're slower, they're more cautious.
Oh yes.
And he said, whereas the backpackers, you have to really watch them.
Well, they just want to get the job done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or they want to impress.
Oh.
And, you know, try and do the right thing, but push too hard.
Yeah. So if someone was interested, could they, you know, just basically apply and say, look, I've got no experience, you would train people, I guess?
Yes, they do.
And on the screen there, does it show? Oh, once you get this corner,
Yeah.
does it show how full the bin is, or is it only on camera?
It will. It'll come up in the red up there,
Oh, I see.
and so that gives you your yield tonnes a hectare. And once that one comes up, once you're back in the crop, it gives you how many tonnes. Just takes up. And then you've got your maps that
Your maps.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what you've done.
Yeah.
Right. So where are we then on the map?
We're here.
Yes, I see. Right.
So our big mother bins are over the paddock there, and the chaser bin goes back to the mother bin. And the receival sites have shut down now. They shut down at 1 o'clock.
Oh, yeah.
You know, where we take the grain to.
Yeah.
They've all, because of the wind and that. So that's moisture. Oh, that's telling you the grains
Nearly
build up.
full.
Yeah, that's just your moisture, and that's fuel economy. But I don't know how that even works. I only worry about the other one.
So what size motor and what motor is that?
Iveco.
Iveco motor?
Yeah. So the Case used to run Cummins motors years ago, but now they run Iveco.
So here's your chaser.
Yeah.
Oh, I see, you're going to chase him, okay.
Well, not really, but yeah, we seem to be. Whatever we can get the best deal on, really.
Yeah. And how many years would you keep this?
We normally keep them for about 2,500 hours and change them over.
Okay. So you'll trade it in?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you have to keep turning them over because of the cost of them,
Yeah.
Like the other one that's working with us, we just brought in, it ended up one with the front, which was 1.2 million.
And that's it, that's empty. Gee,
Yeah.
didn't seem to hold much.
Holds about 10 tonne.
Really?
Yeah,
That's 10 tonne.
when it's right full. Yep. Well, it's about 9.8, and as I'm harvesting along, it'll be 10 tonne, going to the chaser bin.
So how much can the chaser hold?
It holds about 39 tonne.
39, okay. Yeah, that is a smaller one. I've seen some huge ones.
And the mother bin holds 110 tonne that it empties into. Oh no, it's 41 tonne.
Where are your silos?
Over the paddock way.
Oh, okay. Oh, I see. Is that the farmhouse?
Yes.
Right. Well, I tell you what, it'll be a nice change from truck driving. Just, although I guess after you do this for a couple of hours, you think, oh, this is fun. Yeah, I can do this for weeks. And then after a couple of days, you're like, oh no, I'm over this.
Oh, I never get over it.
Well, you're making money, so
Yeah.
how do you get over that? So where's on here? Where's the trim and stuff? So you've got the trim between the let's see, the combs, so you can go up and down.
Yeah.
And then you've got the level of the what,
Yeah.
what's it called again? The full
front.
comb. The front. Oh, you
Yeah.
call it the front. Okay.
Yeah. Well, years ago we used to call it the comb, and now it's called the front.
Right.
I guess because on the PTO headers, you know, it looked a bit like a comb, so.
So tell us about, you've got some weeds here.
Yeah,
So,
that's skeleton.
oh, skeleton. Oh, I thought
Yeah.
skeleton was not really, well, not very common anymore.
No,
So this will just pull it out. Oh, you've got a bit of green in there.
yeah, it dries up and disappears.
Okay.
Yeah.
As long as it doesn't get.
No. Well, years ago when it used to be really bad, you know, you could block your machine up and it would take a lot of time.
Oh, really?
Yeah. They just wrap around the inside.
Okay.
So you came off a farm, did you? In West Australia, or you said you'd been on a PDA machine?
Oh no, that was my grandparents' farm when I was young. I was like 10,
Yeah.
40 years ago.
I'll be right for a bit.
Well, there you go on the harvester. That was great. Let's do a bit of drone work on the. Get back on. Oh.
Shots you take, every bottle you drink, every high that you chase, but they'll all be wasted. All the places we used to go, and every love song that comes on the radio, and all the ache and the pain, all the memories we made, all those pictures you saved, they'll all be waste. 'Cause I'm gone, 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 so far gone, baby, I'm gone, gone, long gone, baby, long gone, baby, I'm gone, so far, long gone, baby, I'm gone, so far, long gone, baby, I'm gone. I want but I can't have and I can't have you. Pardon me, I don't mean to be so see-through. 'Cause you're bad, it's a battle I'll only lose. But you see, 'cause it's me, you'll think it's a truce. And the signs are red as the lights are red, and all I see is green in my head. You got me falling again, 'cause you're unattainable. And that's what makes me want you more. Choking what I need like 1, 2, 3, and I do it again. 'Cause I like the push and pull. So be easier to leave you cold. Begging on my knees like please don't leave. Stay unattainable. Bigger hard to reach, but I keep trying. Got me at arm's length, just where I like it. Oh, you're such a tease, but I keep biting. And when you leave, it feels like dying.
All right, we're on our way out. So that's it. The delivery made. Look at this place. Oh, I mean, all these machines are very small, but just and millions of dollars of worth of equipment. Unfortunately, they've got some bigger machines in the yard, sorry, in the shed, but not much to see here. Alright, it's time for me to go and have a shower, and then we're heading back to the yard. And from what I understand, we'll go straight back to Perth, so no family time this time. Lovely.
Oh, you're such a tease, but I keep biting. And when you leave, it feels like dying. And the signs are red as you're in my bed, but babe, for now, I'll just pretend. You got me falling again, 'cause you're unattainable. And that's what makes me want you more. Checking what I need, like 1, 2, 3, and I do it again. 'Cause I like the push and pull. So be easy, we'll leave you cold. Begging on my knees, like please don't leave me, stay unattainable. You got me falling again, 'cause you're unattainable. And that's what makes me want you more. Checking what I need, like 1, 2, 3, and I do it again. 'Cause I like the push and pull. So be easy, I'll leave you cold. Begging on my knees, like please don't leave me, stay unattainable. Stay unattainable.
Well, here we are on a beautiful Victorian morning, and we're heading back to the yard, as I said, from Adelaide. And what an absolute beautiful morning. I'm about to have a coffee, and thought I'd just show this tank up on the hill. Not sure if it's a farmer's tank or just the water corp for the area, but maybe this is a bit expensive looking one, but anyway. So let's have a look around here. Tell you what, my voice once again croaky as always. That's the morning for you. So there's a lot of good crops around here. Now over here, well, that's been harvested already. I've been passing wheat crops everywhere here, and unfortunately we get to pass a lupin crop that's already been harvested, so it doesn't look any good. And the trailer empty, of course, except for my dolly, which we're going to go back to the yard, use that dolly to connect up and head back to Perth by the looks of it. So let's get in and make this coffee. Oh, the sound of the hot water. Oh yeah. Bit of milk, and that's it. We're on our way.